Hi, this is Dr. Donald Pelto, and I have a patient of mine here. I've been seeing her for heel pain, but all of a sudden she started to have some hip pain, and she tried some different stuff, but also she went to Greendale Physical Therapy, and she's just going to tell us that story about your hip and kind of how you're feeling afterwards.
I went I had hip pain that was so bad, I mean, it would knock you over. I just woke up with it, and I'm short-footed, and I guess I'm getting older, and it affected me. And I went to Greendale. They had my foot so strong. They had my knee that I was holding all the time. It was floating. They had that strong. My foot, they were just wonderful. And then my hip kicked off, and it was excruciating. I thought I was going to have hip surgery. And I got recommended by Dr. Pelto, the orthotic, for the, balance me out because I'm short-footed. That relieved it somewhat, but I still had the pain. I went to Greendale. They were stupendous. In one session, took away my hip pain, worked on my foot again, and started to relieve it. And going back, I wouldn't never not use Greendale. They're so wonderful. They get my whole foot strong again. I can avoid pills. I can avoid surgery. Everything.
Yeah, it's wonderful because if you're having foot pain, a lot of times that can throw off your hip, or the hip can throw off the foot.
Yeah, and the hip just threw everything off. It was like an avalanche that was cascading on itself. And then the therapist, she worked hard, and she just knows, even when you're in that pain, like she takes, it's hard, no pain, no gain, but she doesn't take you where, she alleviates it, you know what I mean? You're already ready to double over with the pain, and she just gets it. By the time I walked out of there, walked in with a walker and pushed the walker and walked on my own out. They were wonderful. I can't say enough about, Dr. Pelto or Greendale.